Yeah, so this one's been here before and it's been tuned, and we're fitting an actuator and getting it mapped up. So that's the start of this video, guys. Hey Rich.
Hello.
So we fitted an actuator to this one, brother, and it seems to have really helped.
Certainly smoothed the boost out, no end on this. We had standard actuator before and we had a big spike and then it would die off. And then obviously...
And that's even with 3-port boost.
Yeah, and it came back again. So I think the actuator had gone weak. It was opening and couldn't close fast enough. So we fitted a forge with a yellow spring, and that's now given us a real nice boost curve and a nice boost
Looks
fall.
great on the graph.
I don't think we're going to make any more power than we made originally with this car. I think it's just going to be smoother boost and just as much smoother in that first initial power pulse.
Just looking at the graph there, it looks like we've made 10 brake horsepower in that area where it came off.
Yeah.
About 10 brake horsepower and about 10 foot-pound of torque, where it just continues like quite linear in both of those aspects. And then,
well, yeah, because before we were making boost and then dropping off and then coming back again. So you're always going to, when that boost drops off, you're always going to lose wheel horsepower. It just makes a smoother graph.
Yeah. It looks lush, mate, lush. Yeah, so it's Thursday.
It is Thursday. It's been a long, hard week this week, I'll be honest. We've not really got any content either. We sort of done the POW and we were going to start making some videos on the POW, but that didn't quite work out as well as we planned. But we'll probably do some videos on that when we start doing some more work on it. Yeah, it's just been a
funny old week.
Bit of a funny old week. Yeah.
Funny old week.
Yeah. Not our usual run-of-the-mill stuff, let's put it that way.
No.
Job done.
Job done.
Job done.
Job done. Yeah, so this Colt came in originally for stage 2 map. We did some work on it. I mean, we covered that in a previous video, so I don't think it's much point in going back over that. But
I'll drop a link to that video.
Yeah, drop a link to that video in. We did definitely 100% get an actuator, well, we thought a weak actuator, where it would make boost, drop off, and then come back again as if it couldn't keep the penny washer closed.
Even though we had 3-port boost control.
Yeah, but had boost control. So it's just to the customer, you might want to put a better actuator on it, which is obviously done. We fitted that this morning, then gone back on the dyno.
Prove the theory?
Yeah, prove the theory. It's completely eradicated that boost issue that we were having, hasn't it? And gave us sort of 10 brake and sort of 10 foot-pounds.
A bit more than that, I think.
It's a bit more than that, yeah.
At the end, when I overlaid them, it was about 20.
Oh, okay.
Just in that, you know, where it dipped
Yeah,
up.
yeah, just in the dip range. I mean, we've not necessarily made any more peak power, we've not made any more peak torque. Where we were having that dip and we were having that issue, like the customer took her advice, we've put that part on and it's fixed it, and you know, customers leaving happy again.
Yeah, it's linear now.
Yeah, nice and linear.
No bubbles.
Lovely.
Yeah.
So we'll, should we have a look at the graph?
Let's have a look at the graph.
So this is how we leave. So peak figures, very similar. And we've got 226 brake horsepower, we'll call that 227, and 244 foot-pound of torque. And that's, yeah, a much smoother graph than last time. Check out the previous video to see the last graph. But there you go. Hopefully he's got a bit of a drive home now so he can enjoy that. It's unstrapped, we've got some paperwork to do. But that's the end of this video, guys. So like and subscribe and all that jazz. And I'll go find Rich. Here's the lads. Rich, see you on the next video, won't we?
We will indeed.
We will indeed.
Life moves pretty fast.